Good morning guys, welcome to SR Trader. This is Shankar Rathod. Today is 8th June and I have marked my levels. What I am gonna do right now is I'll just wait for this area to come. Since that area is acting as resistance so many times, I'll wait for this area to come and I'll short the market from here so that my target is more and my stop loss is minimum. This will be my game plan for now and I'll keep you posted. So I'll use moving average to find out some resistance now. I'll just on my moving average and let's see, we can short some quantity here and some more quantity over here. So I'll just enter with minimum just one lot here. So if market falls rapidly, I may gain some profit, and if market goes upward and again I'll short here. If it crosses this line, and I'll exit all the position immediately. And right now and just holding the trade. So let's see what happens. My target will be somewhere around 1000 rupees. If I reach that, I'll immediately exit the position, and almost I am near to it. So let's wait. If market goes still bearish, I may be seeing my profit soon. Everything is going in our favor. So let's see what will happen now. This is the area where I'll book my profits. I think market may take some pullback from here, so better I exit from my position. It's my gut feeling, but there is no any indication of reversal. In 5 minutes there is a moving average, even though it's not reversing right now. So what can be my game plan for now? Yeah, in 5 minutes it's almost breaking support. So now my MTM is came. Let's book our profit now. So almost, as I said, I have booked 1000 rupees, and I don't want to enter it again and again. And if anything goes wrong, I may lose those 1000 rupee also. So it's better to stay away when profit is done. So that's it for today. My trade has been completed and it's just 10 o'clock now, and I am done with the trade. No matter where it goes, where it may fall to 10,000 also, but I don't care. I've made my profits, so let's be out of the game now. But as per technical analysis, the market is almost at the support. We may bounce back to some extent, but I don't want to take any risk. My trading has been completed today. The goal was to make 1000 rupees, which I have made almost 1000 rupees, and the trade has been executed well. So let's be out of the game now. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you support me in coming days. Thank you.